This is a brief demonstration of two pieces of Heathkit equipment, both from the era of the 1960s. One is called the Heathkit DX-60, which runs about 90 watts on CW, a lot less on AM. It has carrier control modulation, which means that the modulation is applied to the screen grid. Is not as good as plate modulation, but it's hard for many people to tell the difference. I will show you that this unit does operate, and first thing I'm going to do is put it in tune, and I have a Grundig receiver that is receiving it in the background. So we put it in the grid position and we put it in tune. You can see that the VFO does work, but I'm going to zero beat it. And we need to have about 2.5 mils of grid current, which we do have, and we get it by peaking the driver tune over here, and then we can set the level right here. So now we are set. The next thing we do, I'm going to turn the loading down to 0 so you see how I do this. We then put it into the CW position, and we have very little grid current, as you can see, or very little plate current, so we advance the loading and the power goes up, and then we dip it, and we want to get it up to about 150 mils. The power meter indicates about 70 watts out, but I don't think that reads very accurately on 40 meters. It's probably closer to about 70 watts out. Now I will throw it in the phone position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. K1 OIK in a dummy load. So we'll try it on another band. Let's take it off of the phone position and try it on 80 meters. Okay, and let's put it in the tune position. Okay, we need a little more grid current right there. We'll pick that up. There we go. And we got about 2.5 mils of grid current. Oh, I probably should put this in the 80 meter position. That would seem to work a little bit better. And we'll pick up the grid current there and turn up the level. Okay. Whoa, that's a little high. Let's bring that down. Put this in the plate position. Show you that the VFO does work. Okay, put it in the plate position. I'm going to turn the loading down to 0. And we once again got to pick this up. And there we are, about 150 mils. And this indicates it's putting out about 40 watts, and I think that's probably fairly accurate. Okay, we'll try it on another band. Okay, let's try tuning it up on 20 meters. This is in, all these are in the right position. We're on 14.2. Have a little bit too much grid current there, so I will back off on the level a little bit. Throw this into the CW position, and let's see if we could advance this up a little bit. Oh, wrong, there we go. And we dip it down and bring it back up, and we dip it down and we bring it back up. Sounds like this would make a good song. Showing about 70 watts of output power, which again I believe is a little high. SWR should be okay. Yes, it's pretty low. So that is 20 meters. Oh, might as well see if it has any phone operation. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.